Hello again, friends. Welcome to Heart-Filled Kitchen. If you're a dessert lover but you're trying to eat healthier or cut down on sugar, you know it can be tough to find treats that satisfy your cravings without derailing your diet. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these gluten-free fudgy oatmeal brownies. These brownies use oatmeal instead of flour, they're low in sugar, and are packed with fiber and nutrients, making them the perfect guilt-free dessert. So let's get started. Okay, in a large bowl, you're going to combine 1/3 cup of peanut butter, a 1/2 cup of maple syrup, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix all of that together well until it's smooth and creamy. Next, you're going to add 2 cups of milk and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix well. Now we're ready for our final ingredients of 2 cups of oats, a 1/4 cup of cocoa, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground flax seed, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix all of that until it's well combined. Scrape down the sides of your bowl and stir in a 1/4 cup of unsweetened or regular chocolate chips. We're going to add this mixture to an 8x8 or 9x9 sprayed casserole dish and spread all of the ingredients around evenly. Now before popping this in the oven, I like to add some extra chocolate chips, and this would also be good with some pecans or walnuts on top. You're going to place that in a 350-degree oven for 40 minutes. And there you have it, a healthier approach to deliciously fudgy oatmeal brownies. I hope if you enjoyed this recipe, you'll give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, I would love it if you'd subscribe. Thanks for watching today, friends, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!